Follow these easy steps and you will always have perfectly brown ground beef. You have to start with a hot pan. If your beef is lean, then add a little bit of oil so that it browns. Add your beef without any salt. Spread it out in the pan. You need a big pan and you need to make sure you're not piling up your meat, otherwise it's going to steam. See how it's starting to brown? Now add your salt. Go breaking up the chunks. If you get a pool of liquid, it's probably because your pan is too full. Don't panic. Just keep on cooking it until it evaporates. Look at that beef. It's beautiful. It's browning nicely. It's perfect for whatever recipe you need browned ground beef for.